We've all been there, stranded alone and with a dead phone. Or maybe you just have a dead phone and you have nowhere to charge it. Bringing along a power bank can give you some extra charge on the go, as long as you bring those annoying cables in that bulky brick. One cord to charge your power bank and one cord to charge your phone. Introducing the Portal Cord, the world's first portable charger within a charging cable. We've combined a revolutionary portable charging system into a sleek cable design to keep your device charged wherever you are. Our patented design uses top quality circuit protected batteries within the cord to deliver 1800 milliamps of fast charging capability. Charge your device and Portal Cord together, and the pass-through charging feature will charge your device to 100% before charging itself. The Portal Cord is available for iPhone, micro USB, and USB-C.
My name is Degas, and I'm the founder and CEO at Portal Power.
While hitchhiking across the country, I came up with the idea and brought it to one of the world's best startup incubators. There, the Portal Cord was created and made into an award-winning reality. After carefully selecting our manufacturers, we are ready to put the Portal Cord into production. So say goodbye to regular chargers and change the way you charge with the Portal Cord.
We do not remember days. We remember moments. Some of them make you smile. Some make you fall in love. All of them are worth sharing with the people you care about. And sharing all 360 degrees of your life has never been easier. My name is Yuri. I'm a founder of FISHBALL. FISHBALL is a 360 lens attachment that sits on top of your iPhone, leveraging optics, not electronics. This means no extra chargers, no battery drainage, no memory cards, and no Bluetooth pairing BS. It just works. It's the simplest way to record your memories in form of 360 photos and videos, all with your iPhone. Unlike other 360 cameras, FISHBALL only needs a single tap to view and share, because your content is captured and stored right on your phone. Just upload your 360 content as you normally would onto Facebook or YouTube and view on your feed or use a VR headset. Life is better in 360 with FISHBALL. Get yours today.